Good morning, all of you. Everyone is fine. I think all are good. Okay. I am Nilima, ECT Maths, KGBV Shankavaram, in East Godavari district. Okay. Already we are discussing about quadratic expressions in last two classes. We are completed roots of the equations. What lesson? Third lesson. Okay, in this lesson already we have completed roots of the equation. What about roots of the quadratic equation? General equation of the quadratic equation. What is that? Ax square plus bx plus c, or ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In this is the general equation, and with this equation to be find out the roots of this equation formed in minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, and discriminant of quadratic equation. What is that? What is the same denoted by the discrimination delta, that is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, this one discrimination also we get three conditions. Is equal to 0 is the equal values and greater than 0, real values and less than 0, distinct and real values. Okay, next one is sum of the roots. What is the sum of the roots of quadratic equation? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and product of the roots alpha beta is equal to c by a. Okay, these formulas used in some examples and some exercise sums also we have completed. Now these are this one to deeply discussing and continues this class. Okay. Today class, find the common roots of the quadratic equations. What? Common roots of the quadratic equations. Generally, common ga మనం ఏదైనా find out చేయాలంటే we have two objects there, two objects. Here also, now starting to now, only one quadratic equation to some formulas we get and some examples also we completed. But now common roots. Common roots means in this two quadratic equations, we take two quadratic equations and that too we find out the common roots. Okay, what is that common roots? a1x square plus b1x plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x square plus b2x plus c2 is equal to 0. So here two quadratic equations. Okay, what is that? a1x square b1x plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x square plus b2x plus c2 is equal to 0. Both two equations to we find out the common root of the quadratic equations. What is that formula? c1a2 minus a1c2 whole square is equal to, okay, a1b2 minus b1a2 into n b1c2 minus b2c. This is the common root of the both quadratic equations. Okay, next some definition చూడండి. Note, a necessary and sufficient of the quadratic equation equations a1x square plus b1x plus c1 is equal to 0 B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Okay, what is that? A necessary sufficient of the quadratic equation C1x square B1x plus C1 is equal to 0 and A2x square plus B2x plus C2 is equal to 0. We have a common root is C1 A2 minus A1 C2 square is equal to A1 B2 minus B1 A2 into B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Okay. Okay, now this formulas using some problems we solve now. For example, if x square plus 4ax plus 3 is equal to 0 and 2x square plus 3ax minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, have a common root. Have a common root. Then find the values of a and the common roots. Okay. See here, what is sum here given? For what is find out this sum? Have a common root. Both here given two quadratic equations and have a common root. And then find the values of a. Okay, here x square term, x term constant also have, and this one is x square coefficient is 1, x coefficient is 4a. This is not a definite value here also. That's why we find out the a value. Okay, what is the formula of common root? First we can write given equations are x square plus 4ax plus 3 is equal to 0 and 2x square plus 3ax minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay. Now comparing the two quadratic equations and these equations we get a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 4a and c1 is equal to 3. Here too a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 3a and c2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, minus 1. What is the common root formula? C1a2 minus C2a1 whole square is equal to a1b2 minus a2b1 into b1c2 minus b2c1. Okay, here we already know c1a2 a1c2 get given equations. Okay, we get. Now substitute these values in this formula. Okay. Now substitute Okay, see here. C1 means here 3. A2 means 2. Minus C2. C2 means how much? Minus 9. And A1 means 1. Okay? Understand? Is equal to A1 1, B2 3A, minus A2 2, B1 4A, and B1 4A, C2 minus 9, minus B2 3A, and C1 3. Okay, now check out. C1 means 3 and A2 is 2 minus C2 means here minus 9 and A1 is 1 whole square is equal to A1 again 1, B2 means 3A minus A2 means here 2 and B1 4A and B1 again B1 4A and C2 minus 9 minus B2 3A again C1 is 3. Okay, now simplify this. 3 to the 6 minus into minus plus 9 whole square that is equal to here 1 into 3A minus 4 to the 8. Okay, here minus 4A into 9 minus 36A minus 3 3s are 9. Okay, here that is equal to 6 plus 9, 15 square is equal to 3A minus 8A means minus 5A and minus 36A minus 9A. Minus 36 minus 9 means minus 45. Yeah. Okay, now here 15 square is 225 and here again minus and minus plus and 45 is again 225. Yes. Therefore, A square is equal to 225 by 225. Both are cancelled. A square is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay. See here, this one is 15 whole square is equal to 3A minus 8A means minus 5A into here minus 36A minus 9A. So we get minus 45A. Okay, here 15 whole square means 225. That is equal to minus into minus plus 45 into 5 means 225 is. Okay, now therefore A square is equal to 225 by 225. We get A square, both are cancelled, we get A square is equal to plus or minus. A square is equal to plus or minus. A square is equal to plus or minus 1 and therefore A is equal to 1 plus or minus 1. Okay. next one is maximum and minimum of the quadratic equations. What now? Maximum and maximum and minimum of the quadratic equations. What is maximum and minimum values? Maximum means high value and minimum means low value. Okay. Here see here. Generally, if ABC belongs to R and if the quadratic equation, see here, ABC belongs to capital R. In the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now, first condition is a is greater than 0. Okay. A is greater than 0 if the absolute minimum of the minimum at x is equal to minus b by 2a and minimum value is 4ac minus b square by 4a. Okay, instance see here ABC belongs to R and the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. So a value is greater than 0. 0 means a value is 0 kane ekku unnappudu if the absolute minimum at x is equal to minus b by 2a and minimum value is 4ac minus b square by 4a. And second condition is a is less than 0 if the absolutely maximum at x is equal to minus b by 2a and maximum value is 4ac minus b square by 4. Okay, understand here maximum and minimum values of the quadratic equation. Here ABC belongs to R and the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. First condition is a is greater than 0 means x square coefficient is the 0 kane ekku. Okay, then if the absolute minimum at x is equal to minus b by 2a and minimum value is 4ac minus b square by 4a. And second one is a is less than 0. Here a value is less than 0. Less than 0 means a value 0 kane takku unnadu. If the absolute maximum at minus b by 2a and maximum value is 4ac minus b square by 4a. Okay. Now, okay, example చేద్దాం దీని నుంచి. See here, example. We find the maximum or minimum minimum of the expressions first one is 3x square plus 4x plus 1 and second one is 4x minus x square minus 2. Okay, see here given a maximum minimum value find out check. We find the maximum minimum of these two equations separately, first and second. Okay, what we think about first one, that is the maximum or minimum. See here first one is the coefficient of x square. Here first one is, now solution first one is, given equation is 3x square plus 4x plus 1. Okay, here we first observe the x square coefficient. What is x square coefficient in this equation? 3. 3 is the a greater than 0. Okay, a greater than 0 means here minimum or maximum value a greater than 0. We can already learn first condition, a greater than 0 is the absolutely minimum of x is at x is equal to minus b by 2a and 4ac minus b square by 4a. Okay, see here a greater than 0 means here a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 1. Okay, what is the maximum? Here now a greater than 0 absolutely minimum at x is equal to minus b by 2a and minimum value is 4ac minus b square by 4. Okay, now substitute these values, therefore minimum value is 4, a means 3 and c means 1, minus b square means 4 square by 4 into a means 3. Okay, now simplify this one. 4 3s are 12 and 12 1s are 12 minus 4 square means 16 by here 12. Okay, now see here 12 minus 16 by here 12 minus 16 is equal to minus 4 by 12. Okay, again here 4 3s are 12 and minus 3 by minus 1 by 3. Okay, understand this one? And next one is 4x minus x square minus 10. Okay, this one also we solve now. See here, therefore here see here in this value negative value, so this expression no maximum value. Okay, okay, understand? Next one is, see here in this x square, in this second sum x square coefficient is minus 1. Okay, understand? That's why second one is the maximum value. This is also now solved. See here, second one is 4x minus x square minus 2. Okay, here is equal to 0. A coefficient is minus 1, B is 4 and C is minus 2. Okay, this one is the negative value, that is the A less than 0. A value is 0 kanu then absolutely now absolutely maximum yet at x is equal to minus b by 2a and maximum value is 4ac minus b square by 4a. Okay, now therefore maximum value is now substitute these terms for a means minus 1, c means minus 10, minus b square 4 square by 4 into again a minus 1. Okay, this one solved now. Four into minus 1 minus 4 and minus into minus plus 4 tens are 40 minus 16 by here 4 into minus 1 minus 4. We get 40 minus 16 minus 24 by minus 4. Okay, how much value we get here? 4 4s are minus 6, 6 4s are minus 6. Okay, understand? So this expression has, therefore this expression has no minimum value. No minimum value. Okay, understand this one? Okay, next one is example sum. Find the maximum value of the function x square plus 14x plus 9 by x square plus 2x plus 3 over all. Okay, so here first this one, find the maximum of the function x square plus 14x plus 9 by x square plus 2x plus 3 over all. So for first we find out the range of this function, the range of quadratic equation. So solution, first given expression let y is equal to x square plus 14x plus 9 by x square plus 2x plus 9. Okay, this function we arrange the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation minus 14x minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, now here 2x square terms, 2x terms and constant term. This one now x square come into this, y and minus 1 plus x common 2y plus 3, sorry, minus 2, x common 2y minus 14 plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. So here x square term, x and constant. So ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. That too, a is equal to y minus 1, b is equal to 2y minus 14 and c is equal to 3y minus 9. Okay, now we find out the discriminant of this equation. These are real roots, that's why delta is equal to b square minus c 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. And that implies b square means 2y minus 14 whole square minus 4 into a means y minus 1 into c 3y minus 9. Okay, see here 4y square a minus b whole square, this one. So 2y means 2y square, 4y square, a square plus b square means 14 square 196 minus 2ab. 2ab means 2 2s are 4 and 4 14s. 4 14s means 56 y. Okay, minus 4 into first both are multiplied, y into 3y square and y into minus 9 minus 9y and minus 1 into 3y to minus 3y and minus into minus plus 9. Okay, understand? Next one is 4, that implies 4y square minus 56y plus 196 and here minus 4 into 3y square and minus 9y and minus 3y. That's why I can write minus 12y plus 9. Okay. Now 4y square minus 56y plus 196 minus here 4 3s are means 12y square and minus into minus plus 12 4s are 48. 48y plus into minus 9 4s are 36. Okay, he is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Now here 4y square and 12y square we get minus 5 square minus 8y square and minus 56y plus 48y again minus 8y plus here plus 196 minus 36 660 96 160 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, in this equation we can common the minus 8. Minus 8 common just y square plus y minus 20. That implies y square plus y minus 20 is less than or equal to 0. So you get here this one y square divide the 5y minus 4y minus 20 is less than here y into y square and y into 5y minus 4 into minus 4y plus into minus 5 goes to 20. Okay, understand? And we get y plus 5 and y minus 4. That too, y is equal to minus 5 and y is equal to 4. So therefore y is minus 5 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 4. That implies y is belongs